Hello and welcome. I'm John, your safety trainer, here with today's lesson on poison oak. Before we begin, remember to sign off on your mobile device or online to receive credit for this training. If you feel the need to pause this video at any time to have a discussion, we encourage you to do so. Many people are sensitive to poison oak. A chemical called urushiol is present in the sap of these plants. If you touch or brush against a plant with broken stems or torn leaves, the sap can come in contact with your skin. The sap can cause a rash, blisters, and itching. Urushiol can stay on clothing, gloves, and tools for years if they are not washed. This lesson will describe how to recognize poison oak, the safety measures that should be taken, and what to do if you encounter poison oak when you're working. Because many trees can tend to look the same, it can be difficult to distinguish one species from another. If you are in an area known to contain poison oak, look for shrubs with groupings of 3 separate small leaves, 1 to 2 inches long, that are bright green in spring and summer, red or reddish yellow in fall and winter. The general rule is leaves of 3, let it be. Look for the pattern of 3 leaflets branching from a single independent stem. You'll find 2 leaves attached directly to the stalk opposite each other. The 3rd leaf will jut from between them on a short stem, forming a distinct T pattern. In dry weather, the leaves may droop, making the pattern hard to identify. If you find poison oak, do not burn it. Burning can release the urushiol in the smoke, and it can come in contact with your skin that way. In addition, smoke inhalation can cause damage to the lungs and more severe allergic reactions. Poison oak can have lasting effects if not properly avoided and treated. Some safety measures you may want to follow include: recognize the leaf pattern of the plants and avoid it. During wintertime, the leaves fall off, but the twigs are still poisonous. Wear gloves, a cap, a long-sleeve shirt, long pants, and boots or shoes. Do not take a bath at the end of the workday. Take a shower instead. Hey everyone, if you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.